Welcome to this video describing a typical career progression in mobile app development. After watching this video, you will be able to describe a typical career path for a mobile app developer, summarize the expertise and responsibilities at each stage of a mobile app developer, and explain the importance of continuous learning and networking. The mobile app industry continues to grow, providing countless opportunities for developers. If you're considering a career in mobile app development, understanding the progression path can help you set clear goals and navigate your journey effectively. Generally, a mobile developer's career path starts at an entry-level role, progresses to mid-level, and then senior level. A transition into a managerial role can happen from a mid-level role onward. Let's discuss the required expertise expected at each level and the responsibilities. Most mobile app developers start with a strong educational background in computer science or a related field. However, a formal degree isn't always necessary. Many successful developers are self-taught, leveraging online resources and coding boot camps. Key skills to focus on include mobile app-specific programming languages, basic UI/UX design, version control, and various development tools. A strong portfolio showcasing your work can significantly boost your career prospects. Include a variety of projects that highlight your skills and versatility. Continually update your portfolio at every opportunity and stage of your career. Your first job in mobile app development will likely be as a junior or entry-level developer. At this stage, you'll be expected to write and debug code under the guidance of more senior developers. You should endeavor to understand industry standards and best practices for app development. Expect to work closely with designers, product managers, and other senior developers. You will need to build your portfolio by contributing to small projects or features. As you gain experience, you'll need to deepen your technical skills and broaden your knowledge base by focusing on more advanced concepts. At this stage, you should master more complex aspects of programming languages such as Swift, Kotlin, Java, or JavaScript. You will need to integrate third-party APIs and services adeptly. You should know how to work with different types of databases specific to mobile app development. Beyond just coding, you must manipulate your code to optimize performance and improve responsiveness more expertly. Your responsibilities at the mid-level will expand. You should feel comfortable handling larger projects with more substantial features. At this level, you will begin mentoring junior developers. Expect to participate in and possibly lead code reviews to ensure code quality. You will need more advanced problem solving to develop creative solutions for complex technical challenges. You will become an expert if you continue to a senior developer role. You should specialize in one or more areas, such as architecture design, security, or cross-platform development. Most organizations will expect you to take on more leadership roles as a senior developer. A typical responsibility at this level includes project management, where you oversee the entire development lifecycle. You will likely lead a team of developers and coordinate with other departments. Also, you will need to contribute to strategic planning and make high-level decisions about app development. As a senior developer and leader, you will possess advanced technical skills and extensive experience. Your responsibilities will include system design, technology selection, and innovation. You will likely architect complex systems that integrate various components at this level. Architecting a system means you will be responsible for choosing the right technologies based on requirements and anticipating future scalability. Designing apps also will require pioneering new techniques and technologies within your organization. In a senior role, you'll strategically impact the app based on the company's vision. You must know enough about your industry and the organization to work knowledgeably with other teams, such as marketing and sales, to align technical capabilities with business goals. Ultimately, the quality of a project will rest with you, and you must ensure that development meets standards for quality and performance. You may choose to branch off from coding into a managerial role. These roles include responsibilities such as managing teams of developers or leading a project. In a managerial role, you will need to oversee project budgets and develop long-term technology adoption and implementation strategies. You will also need to communicate directly with stakeholders to understand their needs and establish requirements for the company vision. You must learn mobile app development because tech evolves rapidly and continuously. You can attend conferences, take advanced courses, and stay updated with industry trends. Networking with other professionals can provide you with valuable insights. Building a solid professional network can open new opportunities for you and your organization. Join developer communities, attend meetups, and participate in online forums. Work on developing your soft skills to enhance your overall effectiveness as a developer. Technical skills are crucial, but less tangible skills like communication, teamwork, and problem-solving are equally important. In this video, you learned that a typical career path for a mobile developer begins with an entry-level position, continues to a mid-level role, then moves to a senior role into leadership or a managerial position. Entry-level responsibilities include coding assistance and small projects. Mid-level responsibilities include larger projects with substantial features, mentoring, and code reviews. Senior-level responsibilities include specialization, leadership, and strategic planning. Throughout your career, engage in continuous learning and networking, and keep your portfolio updated.